Okay, we got the bearings installed. Unfortunately, I didn't do any video of it because it was very definitely an oily two-hand job, so sorry about that, but here's what it looks like when they're in there. There we go, nice brand new bearings. Hopefully it'll cut down the wear on the tube here. That's the other side. And you can see the auger actually moves. Really, I mean, you can just spin it by hand. You can also see all the crap coming out of this coal chip slot right now. Wow. I didn't realize that before. Maybe we can get that. Oh. And now the cat's concerned about it too. Yeah, stuff's coming out of there, so that'll be next. It's lunchtime right now, so I'm going to eat lunch. Then we'll come back and we'll do the transfer head bearing and packing.